Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today I'll be talking about creating and running unit tests. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. Create your unit tests as a generic Java file using the JUnit4 APIs and store those tests in the test source set. Each Android Studio project template includes this source set and a sample Java test file called example unit test. To create a new Java test class file, add a Java file to the test source set for your project. Test class files for unit testing are typically named for the class in your app that you are testing, with test appended. For example, if you have a class called calculator in your app, the class for your unit tests would be calculator test. To add a new test class file, use these steps. First, expand the Java folder and the folder for your app's test source set. The existing unit test class files are shown. Second, right-click on the test source set folder and select New Java class. Third, name the file and click OK. Use JUnit4 syntax and annotations to write your tests. For example, the test class shown below includes the following annotations. The @run with annotation indicates the test runner that should be used for the tests in this class. The @small test annotation indicates that this is a small and fast test. The @before annotation marks a method as being the setup for the test. The @test annotation marks a method as an actual test. The add2numbers method is the only actual test. The key part of a unit test is the assertion, which is defined here by the assert that method. Assertions are expressions that must evaluate and result in a value of true for the test to pass. JUnit4 provides a number of assertion methods, but assert that is the most flexible as it allows for general purpose comparison methods called matchers. The Hamcrest framework is commonly used for matchers. Hamcrest includes a large number of comparison methods as well as enabling you to write your own. Note that the add2numbers method in this example includes only one assertion. The general rule for unit tests is to provide a separate test method for every individual assertion. Grouping more than one assertion into a single method can make your tests harder to debug if only one assertion fails and obscures the tests that do succeed. To run your local unit tests, use these steps. To run a single test, right-click that test method and select Run. To test all the methods in a test class, right-click the test file in the project view and select Run. To run all tests in a directory, right-click on the directory and select Run Tests. The project builds if necessary and the testing view appears at the bottom of the screen. If all the tests you ran are successful, the progress bar at the top of the view turns green. A status message in the footer also reports tests passed. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.